Now, this is 5-year-old Kinsleigh Welty. Today, members of her family were in court for a hearing on her death. When she died last week, investigators say she was severely malnourished. Today, Kinsleigh's mother and her mother's boyfriend both made their first court appearances, and WRTV's Rachel Wilkerson was there for those hearings, and you join us now. What's the latest?
Well, Nicole, Kinsleigh's mother, Toni McClure, could face life in prison. The Marion County prosecutor says she's charged with her daughter's murder because of the prolonged neglect to the 5-year-old. The mother's boyfriend is formally charged with 3 counts of neglect resulting in death. But tonight, we're learning more about Kinsleigh's grandmother. The prosecutor's office claims she was involved with some of the decisions regarding how Kinsleigh was treated.
What we are alleging here is that Grandma had prolonged periods of contact with this child, was in a position to help this child.
5-year-old Kinsleigh Welty was laid to rest today. The Marion County prosecutor's office believes she died of starvation and dehydration after she was found unresponsive last week at a Southwest Side home in Indianapolis. Her mother, Toni McClure, grandmother, and McClure's boyfriend are accused of playing a role in her death. Today, they appeared in court for the first time.
Anything that you can say regarding this case?
No questions. There's a lot of conversation between both mom and grandma about what was going on with this child and what was the best way to deal with some of these issues. And I think that's the part that's so disheartening, is that nobody stepped in and said, this child needs help. What can we do to try to help this child? And the thing that you consistently see and hear in these conversations is people are concerned about their own well-being. Well, I might get in trouble if someone is aware of this.
Prosecutor Ryan Mears say they were in a position to help Kinsleigh, but didn't. Investigators say the little girl was locked in a closet while denied proper food and water. That suffering, the prosecutor's office says, led to her death. Investigators noted the closet also had feces on the door and clothing inside. Mears says more people could be held accountable. That investigation includes the Department of Child Services.
DCS was at the house the day that this child passed away. And they were not aware, or when they made that house visit, they certainly didn't uncover or appreciate what was going on inside the house. And so I think that poses a lot of questions for us as a prosecutor's office in terms of what systems were in place. Did those systems necessarily protect that child? And then what can be done in the future?
Today, DCS commented on Kinsleigh's death, saying its top priority is child safety. We are always saddened when a child tragedy occurs and partner with stakeholders from across the state to thoroughly investigate all child deaths in Indiana that involve abuse or neglect. The family tells me that's not enough. It wants a full investigation into the department. As I mentioned, Kinsleigh's funeral was today. The family says they are still hoping to purchase a princess headstone for her, Mark.